Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for an update on the Anfield Road expansion. Yeah, so I'm only going to be coming here about twice, maybe 3 times a week now. Just with not much going on. The seats are almost in and most of the work's going on inside. I know a lot of the work's not going to get finished until the summer on the outside, so it's what you know and what you know is going to get done. The badge on the brickwork down here, it might possibly go on, but there's no, there's been no official news on that going on. So when that starts going on, I'll have a look. But at the moment, I'll have a look at the work on the outside that is going on. So like the roads, walls, all the cosmetic stuff that needs doing for the road to be reopened. And I'll see the outside to make it safe for fans to be going in. Oh, what's this? Been fixing something on, hasn't he? Okay. Don't quite know what he's doing. What are them on the wall? What are they? White things? Don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of people working up close and tight to the brickwork, so I can't quite see what they're doing. Does anybody know? Yeah, so that's going to free up some of my time anyway to get more stuff done. I've got loads planned now. I watch loads of videos on YouTube, get ideas, not to copy, but to, see if there's something I can add to those videos, like I've tried doing with these ones. So if there's something I can add, then I'll make videos about it. And I think there's something I can add. What are they doing? Shoving something in. Yeah, so I did make a video about St George's Church, which I put online last night. But because it's not football related, not a lot of people will watch it. So I'll put it on the end of this video. Maybe it's not showing up because it's not, it hasn't got the tag words in, like Liverpool, Anfield Road, etc, etc. So I'll put it on the end of this video. Some feedback would be great on it. Just let me know. It's the first time I've tried anything like that, where do some pan and drone shots, music and stuff, and a little bit of text history as well. So I'm just going to try and, I don't know what that stone is. Yeah, so give me some feedback on it at the end. See, wish you could hear what he was saying, don't you? Yeah, there's a lot of work. Like, it's all very close to the brickwork. And he's there. There's someone else over here. So they are cracking on with that corporate section, as you don't know how long the corporate section inside is. So why is that crane here? Okay. So it's been told to Paul Frost. Are we going to be getting that wall getting put in here as well, by the looks of it? That's what it looks like, doesn't it? Can't see where that crane is actually at. Oh right, no, I don't know. Don't know, guys. I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, there's the blocks there. See if I can focus a bit better on that. Yeah, so the blocks are there. Yeah, there's more blocks down here. Ah, okay. And here they are working on it. Okay, so yeah, so you got the sandstone wall going up and around here. It's a lot bigger section for it, isn't it, this one? And and my weird shrubbery will be going in there as well, behind it. Trees and stuff, so yeah. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, there's something new. See, if there's something new, then I'll come up, but there's not going to be much change on the daily, so the dailies won't be happening. So just those going there and here as well. Okay, right, I'm on it now. Let's come round the main stand side. Chilling out. Okay. So last time when I come, I said there was no more seating. There was more seating. So let's just zoom in here. Right, so seating wise, there's no real change. There's see, the brackets are in there, and then on the right hand side. Right guys, I've had to bring the drone back. It's for some reason it's losing signal when I get over the cop. I've recently done a firmware update on it. I'm not sure if there's a bug or what, but yeah, it's not safe to fly it that far away at the moment. So yeah, I don't like flying from over the cop way, but I might have to have a look at the seats. So I'll do that in the next video. Have a good look at the seats, but there's no change. I've just had a look. There's no change. The left hand side, it's only the front rows need putting in, and it's pretty much all done on the right hand side, apart from that very right hand side block. Let's have a zoom down and a flyover. So you can see where the wall and that's going to go, the footprint of it. And where the one that's in is in, just there. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'll put the video of St George's Church on now, so you can have a look, give me some feedback, let me know what you think. Sorry I couldn't have a better look at the seat for you, but yeah, I'm just not risking it with the signal drop out for no reason. Yeah, so I'll leave it there guys. So St George's Church, is over here. Just there. And there'll be a little video now about that. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. I always reply to the comments in the comments section. So yeah, let me know what you think. Speak to you all soon. Bye now.